We're continuing with Math 125 questions, gateway questions, this time number 53. F of x equal to e to the power negative x divided by x. This is out of the series 51 to 60 that involve exponential functions. In here, I see a quotient rule right away. So the first method that I would use is the quotient rule. Derivative of f of x is equal to derivative of the numerator times the denominator plus the numerator times derivative of the denominator divided by the denominator to power 2. That is derivative of e to the power negative x times x, then e to the power negative x times derivative of x, and x to power 2. Now, derivative of e to the power negative x is another chain rule. So derivative of outside, with plugging in the inside unchanged, times the derivative of inside. Derivative of outside, plugging in the inside unchanged, is e to the power x, times derivative of inside, which is derivative of negative x, negative 1. Derivative of x, the entire thing is 1. So the answer is going to be e to the power negative x times negative 1 times x plus e to the power negative x times 1 divided by x squared. This is the answer you can enter in your gateway exam, and no need to simplify. Alternatively, for number 53, we can change that denominator, bring it to the top, have it as x to the power negative 1, e to the power negative x, and then discuss a product rule with that function. So this time around, f prime of x is going to be derivative of the first one times the second one plus first one times the derivative of the second one. First one, second one, first one, and second one. The first derivative, derivative of x to power negative 1, it's a power rule. Negative 1 comes down. X to power 1 less. Negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2. Here, derivative of e to the power x is a chain rule. Outside function is e. Inside function is negative x. Outside function, derivative of outside function, plugging in inside function unchanged, is e to the power negative x. Derivative of negative x is negative 1. So the answer is negative 1, x to the power negative 2, e to the power negative x, plus x to the power negative 1, e to the power negative x, times negative 1. And this is your answer, and you can enter it in your gateway exam. No need to simplify. Between the two methods, both of them are fine, and there's no recommendation on this.